Good day everyone, I'm Maria Luisa Mason from Exchange University. So now I will present the Region 2, also known as Cagayan Valley. What is Region 2? Region 2 is located in the northeastern portion in the main islands of Luzon and includes the scattered islands of Batanes, Babuyan groups, which occupy the northernmost tip of the archipelago. Region 2 or Cagayan Valley. Region 2 is composed of 5 provinces: Batanes, Cagayan, Isabela, Quirino, at Nueva Ecija. What is geographical location? Located in the northeastern portion of the main islands of Luzon. Napapagkita nito ng dalawang kabundukan o tinatawag na Cordillera at Sierra Madre at binubuo ng 5 provinces. Cagayan, a short name of the term Katagayan, the place where the Tagay grows. Tagay, a flat grows abundantly in the northern part of the province called Hap, gotten its name from the Ilocano word Carayan or Big River, referring to the Rio Grande de Cagayan, the longest river in the country. Sa Cagayan naman is hanap buhay nila o pangunahing hanap buhay nila doon is pagsasaka at kilala rin silang religiousness at masisipag. What is religion in Region 2? Religion in Cagayan is Roman Catholic, 30%, or Protestant, 30%, Iglesia ni Cristo, 30%, others is 10%. So, mas majority yung Roman Catholic sa kanila. Attraction in Region 2, Batanes, Isabela, Cagayan, Nueva Vizcaya, and Quirino. So, Batanes is archipelagic province in the Philippines, administratively part of the Cagayan Valley. It is the northernmost province in the country and also the smallest both in the population and land area. Its capital is Basco, located on the islands of Batanes. Its tourist attraction: Basco Lighthouse, Morong Beach, Bulugan Boulder Beach, hike to Mount Iraya. Basco Lighthouse is one of the 3 lighthouses proposed by former Congressman Florencio Abang of Batanes, not only as working lighthouses but possibly as tourist attraction. Morong Beach in Sabtan Islands, Batanes, features only a short stretch of sand that is surrounded by low grass covered hills on all sides. On one area of the beach, you'll find a large rock formation that you can walk through. This rock formation is known as Nakabuang Arch. The Bulugan Boulder Beach is a 3-kilometer beach located along the coast of Batan Islands. As its name suggests, the beach shore is made up of different side boulders that help create an incredible landscape framed by almost vertical cliffs and rolling hills. The boulders here were said to have been cut out from the gas by Mount Iraya and nearby active volcano. Mount Iraya is also known as Yunjung, which usually erupts every year, causing damage to houses. Isabela is the second largest province of the Philippines next to Palawan. Tinatawag itong Queen Province of the Philippines, rice greenery of the north. Isabela is the richest province in Cagayan Valley, or kilala rin ito sa Rice the North and Corn capital of the Philippines. Famous attraction in Isabela: Bonsai Forest, General Aguinaldo Shrine at Dibolo Falls, Dikotkotan Beach. Bonsai Forest, an enchanting beauty to behold. It covers more than 5,000 hectares with lands ranging from the foot to 7 feet. You'll literally feel like a giant as you walk through this bizarre ecosystem. The forest also hosts a plethora of flora and fauna species. It bestows glimpses of the forest, and while riding and about towards Norway. General Aguinaldo's Sarn is capture of General Emilio Aguinaldo by invading American force on March 23, 1901, making it one of the historical tourist spots in Isabela. It is this province where the general surrendered to the Americans, ending the Filipino-American War. Dibolo falls one of the most tourist spots in the Isabela, but is for extreme adventure hikers and nature lover. It must-see destination. The waterfall has 3 layers at its last drop. The Kutkutan Beach features a 3 kilometers long pristine beach. Is a perfect gateway. Cagayan is a province in the Philippines located in the Cagayan Valley region and the northeast tip of the Luzon. Its capital city is Tuguegarao. It's all about 431 kilometers northwest of Manila and includes the Babuyan Islands to the north, the province border Ilocos Norte and Apayao to the west, and Kalinga and Isabela to the south. Tourist attraction in Cagayan are the St. Dominic Cathedral, Calong Caves at Magapit Suspension Bridge, Nangaramuan Beach. St. Dominic Cathedral is located in the heart of Tuguegarao City, Cagayan Province. Is a famous religious landmark built in 1761 by Dominican monks. The cathedral is one of the oldest and largest church in the region. Cathedral also houses a collection of religious Calong Cave, among the most frequented tourist destination in Cagayan Valley. It features a 17-chambered cave with stunning limestone rock formation and reminiscent of cathedral dome. One of these chambers contains stone altar illuminated by natural skylights that gives the cave an catacomb-like experience. Magapit Suspension Bridge, located in the Lalo town, spans across the Cagayan River, connecting the towns of Lalo and Gataran. Built in 1978, it is one of the longest suspension bridge in the Philippines with a length of 1,298 kilometers. The bridge offers stunning view of the Cagayan River, the longest and largest river in the Philippines. You can stroll across the bridge admiring a stunning view of the river, mountains, and hills. Nangaramuan Beach is a must-visit located near Agib Beach. Nangaramuan offers a relaxing atmosphere with a clean, white, and clear waters to make your visits even more memorable. You can enjoy snorkeling or exploring the nearby mangrove forest. Nueva Vizcaya is a landlocked province in the Philippines located in the Cagayan Valley region in Luzon. Its capital is Bayumbong. Is bordered by Benguet to the west, Ifugao to the north, Isabela to the northeast, Quirino to the east, Aurora to the southwest, Nueva Vizcaya to the south, and Pangasinan to the southwest. and Quirino province was created from Nueva Vizcaya in 1966. Tourist attraction in Nueva Vizcaya, Gulong Peak, Mount Ogo, Limugan Falls, at Kapisan Cave System. Gulong Peak is the highest peak in the town. It's just a few hundred meters away from the municipal hall, making it one of the most accessible Nueva Ecija hiking tourist spot. While at top you catch panoramic views of the surrounding mountain range. If you're lucky, you'll chance on stunning sunrise view coupled with the sea clouds. Mount Ogo is a major destination in the Cordilleras, although its elevation is low compared to the lofty heights of Mount Pulag and Mount Napuluan. It has stately pine forests of spectacular views similar to its higher counterparts. Also, the travels connecting Nueva Vizcaya and Benguet and challenging trail that serve as the southeast entrance of the Cordillera mountain chain, opening possibilities such as travel first to Mount Pulag. Limugan Falls is one of the most Nueva Vizcaya popular tourist spot in Nueva Vizcaya. Due to accessibility, it only requires an easy trek across pristine forest. The waterfalls cascade for more than 35 feet towards a beautiful catch basin. Kapisan Cave, it is one of the most visited tourist spots in Nueva Vizcaya, considered one of the best caves in the country. This big unique formation found nowhere else. Kapisan Cave is dubbed as a geologist's paradise, although it remains within the Smith popular destination for those who prefer less touristy. Quirino is a landlocked province in the Philippines, located in the Cagayan Valley region in Luzon. The province further Aurora to the southeast, Nueva Vizcaya to the west, Isabela to the north. Quirino used to be part of the province of Nueva Vizcaya until it separated in 1966. It's named after L.P. Joe Quirino, the 6th President of the Philippines. So, Quirino tourist place attraction, the Wayway Caves at Matul Falls, Ganano Falls, at Pinsal Falls. The Wayway Caves consist of 15 caves in all. If you enter one of these, you'll discover a stunning limestone rock formation. The secondary forest surrounding the caves are also an added attraction. But still, in some of the caves, you'll also find an underground river. Matul Falls is one of the most pristine tourist spots in Quirino. It is one of the many ecotourism spots that are spread from the impact of mass tourism. Ganano Falls is one of the rising tourist attractions in Quirino, which is a standing height of around 240 feet. The falls will easily captivate you and often seeing it pristine rainforest surround the waterfalls, and occasionally you'll catch sight of rare birds and other wildlife. Pinsal Falls is one of the top of Quirino province tourist spot attraction. It has a multiple layer with stunning falls. Languages in Region 2, English and Filipino, are widely used and spoken in Cagayan. Predominant local languages are Ilocano, Ibanag, Itawis, and Malwad, Pangasinense, at Paranao, and other dialects are also used in some areas where migrants abound. Majority of the Cagayans can speak at least two local languages, have a good command or at least working knowledge of the English languages.